and how three-dimensional depiction is illustrated on a two-dimensional surface. So things like art and drawing and painting and music really gives you a deep, solid scientific understanding of how things work. Because when you look at art,
phenomena by itself, phenomenological phenomena, the structure of consciousness and the human experience. So, as a research scientist, I have a special interest in music. And I always had an interest in art because I couldn't understand why. If you look at all of our great predecessors, all of them were grounded in some kind of art, from Da Vinci to Picasso to everyone was into, there was something in
it. Has amplitude, it has frequency, it has velocity, and it also has intensity. Intensity determines the distance at which the sound travels.
It helps you embody music as a whole far more effectively. Here's one of the phenomena in music is octaves.
Sound that propagates at 700 miles per hour. That's amplitude, frequency, that velocity. So you have like this expanding bubble that propagates.